Delegation, a process of assigning tasks to others, is a key strategy for maintaining efficiency in businesses and families. While it may seem straightforward, effective delegation is a skill that requires practice. To help you master this skill, here are 9 best practices for successful delegation, applicable in both professional and personal settings. 1. Find the sweet spot. The sweet spot of delegation is all about finding the right balance. You should delegate enough to free up your time for tasks that align with your strengths, while also providing support and oversight to others. However, be cautious not to delegate so much that you lose control. 2. Learn your team members' strengths and weaknesses. Delegating work means using the resources available to you most efficiently. You can only do this if you know the abilities of the people you are leading and discover their shortcomings. Pair people with responsibilities they are well suited to perform at a high level. 3. Prioritize. The goal of delegating is to free up your time and maintain maximum productivity. Each day, prioritize your list of responsibilities. Assign work based on urgency, importance, and individual capabilities. If assigning more than one task per person, prioritize their list as well. This targeted approach minimizes bottlenecks and ensures maximum productivity. 4. Shoot for autonomy. Your goal should be to help everyone under your command develop the skills needed to work without assistance. This will give them a sense of autonomy to produce the desired result without relying on others for help. 5. Establish an open-door policy. Delegation may at first seem like a one-way street. You hand out tasks and responsibilities, others are charged with performing them. Ensure every team member knows they can come to you anytime for guidance. 6. Check in regularly. Delegation requires follow-up. While you want your charges to have autonomy, you must regularly check in with them, offer guidance, and monitor progress. Don't do it so often that you're micromanaging, though. Give them space to do the job you have assigned them. 7. Embrace creativity and freedom of method. Your way isn't the only way. Allow individuals to achieve the overall objective through their unique methods. This flexibility in executing tasks promotes problem-solving skills and creativity while encouraging team members to take ownership of their work. In the end, achieving the goal is all that matters. 8. Clearly define the parameters of a job. When tasks have well-established objectives, timelines, and expectations, it ensures that all parties understand the scope of work and desired outcomes. It ensures resources are allocated effectively and minimizes misunderstandings, improving accountability and productivity. 9. Provide examples. Examples provide context and clarity. By illustrating the desired outcomes or demonstrating specific tasks, you provide concrete reference points for others to follow. These real-world examples inspire confidence and motivation in your team.